So it's lunchtime in the Brennison house, and my hubby decided that he needed to have the ability to have hard-boiled eggs. And so I want to show you how he did it, because it was super, super easy for it to happen. All he did was he used the Smart Multi-Cooker, which is this piece right here. I don't want to take it out because he's just rinsing it. So he took the Smart Multi-Cooker, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. And he put the eggs in, and then you put it into the microwave. It's 12 eggs in the microwave in the Smart Multi-Cooker for 12 minutes. You let it sit for 6, and then you just cool it. That's all you do. Now, the way that it works is it is steaming the hard-boiled eggs. You're not cooking it with the microwave raise. It's totally steamed. So what you have to do, pull these eggs out. I'll redo the cold water. This is the shielded basket that the eggs are sitting in. It has metal that's encased in it, so that way it blocks the microwave rays. What he had to do was fill water up to this line right here so that it had enough water for the steam. And then you put the eggs in the basket. You put it into the Smart Multi-Cooker so that it has the steam. You put the shielded cover on top, and then you just put it in the microwave for 12 minutes, and then you have hard-boiled eggs. You let it sit for about 6 minutes with the cover on so it can finish the cooking process, and then you just rinse them off with cold water to stop the cooking process. You're going to find that the eggs are really easy to peel. The yolks will be nice bright yellow, not the greenish that sometimes happens. And then all of this is actually dishwasher safe, so you're not having to clean a big pot of hot boiling water. Helpful tip though, it's not a promo for Hy-Vee, but a helpful tip is to mark. Something just fell out of the cupboard. Gotta love children and how they put things away, yes? You have to mark your box hard-boiled eggs so somebody doesn't accidentally, have it be so it's not exactly the way you want it. So that is the easy way to hard-boiled eggs. It's fast, it's easy, it's healthy. If you want to have the perfect, what did we do? Deviled eggs. If you're on Weight Watchers and you want a 0-point deviled egg recipe, send that message to me or comment deviled eggs please, and I'll send you the recipe. Super easy, super good. Oh my goodness, great. Have an amazing day.